Good morning. The weather looks beautiful today.
Yes, it's sunny and warm outside.
Perfect weather for a walk in the park.
True, but the weather yesterday was terrible.
Really? What happened?
It was cold, rainy, and very windy all day.
Wow. Today feels much better.
Do you have any plans for today?
Yes, first a coffee shop meeting at noon, then some shopping in the afternoon.
Sounds fun.
What about tonight?
Maybe dinner at a restaurant if the weather stays nice.
Great idea.
Don't forget a jacket. The evening might get cold.
Good point. Thanks for the reminder.
No problem. Enjoy the days.
Awesome. Now let's learn the important weather and daily routine words with simple explanations and examples. Subscribe our channel and join the 1000 Essential English Words Challenge. Don't miss a new English lesson every day. Weather. Weather is the condition outside with sun, rain, wind, heat, or cold during the day. Sunny. Sunny means the sky is bright and full of sunlight without rain. Warm. Warm means slightly hot and comfortable, not cold. Walk. A walk is moving slowly on foot for exercise, relaxation, or fun. Park. A park is a public outdoor place with grass, trees, and walking areas. Terrible. Terrible means very bad, unpleasant, or uncomfortable. Cold. Cold means having very low temperature that makes people need warm clothes. Rainy. Rainy means water is falling from the sky for a long time. Windy. Windy means strong moving air outside that moves trees and clothes. Plans. Plans are activities or events scheduled for later in the day or future. Meeting. A meeting is a planned time for people to talk or discuss something. Noon. Noon is the middle of the day at 12 p.m. Shopping. Shopping means going to stores to buy clothes, food, or other things. Afternoon. Afternoon is the time between noon and evening. Tonight. Tonight means the evening and night of the current day. Restaurant. A restaurant is a place where people sit and eat meals. Evening. Evening is the time after afternoon and before night. Reminder. A reminder is something that helps people remember important things. Outside. Outside means not inside a building or room. Stay. Stay means continue in the same place or condition for some time. Idea. An idea is a thought, suggestion, or plan in the mind. Day. A day is the time between morning and night. Dinner. Dinner is the main meal eaten during the evening.
Forget.
Forget. Forget means failing to remember something important. Subscribe our channel and join the 1000 Essential English Words Challenge. Don't miss a new English lesson every day. Point. A point is an important reason, fact, or idea in a conversation. Beautiful. Beautiful means very attractive, pleasant, or nice to look at. Great job today! In Day 6, you'll learn English for talking at the gym and exercising.